Welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to log out of all other sessions on the X app. If you've ever signed in on multiple devices, maybe a borrowed phone, a work computer, or even an old tablet, it's a good idea to clear those sessions for your account's security. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your phone. This is where everything begins. Once the app is open, look towards the top corner and tap on your profile icon. This will bring up the menu with all the settings and preferences you need. Next, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. This is where you'll find all the tools to manage your account, including your security options. Now, tap on Security and Account Access. Here you'll see the different features related to protecting your account, managing devices, and monitoring logins. From there, select Apps and Sessions. This will show you not only any apps connected to your account, but also the list of all sessions where your account is currently signed in. After that, tap on Sessions. Here you'll see every single device that's logged into your X account. This includes your current device, plus any other phones, tablets, or computers that might still have access. To ensure no one else has access, tap on Log out of all other sessions. Don't worry, this won't log you out of the device you're currently using, just all the other ones. A confirmation pop-up will appear, so go ahead and confirm your choice. And that's it. You've now successfully logged out of all other sessions on your X account. This is one of the easiest and most effective steps you can take to keep your account secure, especially if you've ever used a shared device or logged in somewhere you don't fully trust. It only takes a minute, but it gives a peace of mind knowing that only you have access to your account. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to keep your account security in check regularly by reviewing your sessions from time to time. Thanks for watching.